Step 1. Take your holder and gently lay it over your CPU. Fasten the straps and pull tight until the holder is firmly attached. Step 2. This is an important point for all CPU holders with a swivel bracket mechanism. When marking the bracket, always remember to leave enough space for the CPU to be able to rotate. Back to step 2. Mark down and measure the relationship and distances between the screw holes. Transfer the measurements to the underside of your work desk. You're now ready to drill small pilot holes. Step 3. Take the screws provided and attach the bracket to the underside of your work desk. And finally, slide in your CPU.